Hey guys, it's me, Friday 11:15. It's been a while. Just had a little video to show you guys. So, in any of the iPhone 11 and up, if you change the screen, you will get a message on your displays, and it'll say that display unknown part. On this one over here is battery is unknown part and display is unknown part. This message will always stay here in the settings menu as long as you have that non-original display or non-original battery. Now, if you go out to the home screen, you notice there's a 1 here, and you notice there isn't one here. The screen on this phone was changed over 15 days ago, so the message kind of goes away from the home screen. It stays on the settings over here, but it won't be annoying that you have a notification there. This phone, the screen was just changed like 2 or 3 days ago, and you'll have it there for 15 days. The same with the battery. If that doesn't bother you, that's fine. If it does bother you, then you have to replace the original chip of your screen to the replacement chip, or the same thing with the battery. It is a longer process. I'll have a video how to do it later on. And like I said, these are iPhone 11s. I think it happened also on the 12 and on the 13, on the XS Max and XS. I have not noticed that yet. I will check on it and make a video if it is the same, and how long will that message stay there. Hope this helped. Again, if you change your screen 15 days later, that message or that notification will go away from the settings app. It will always stay in the other place and about, like I showed you guys a minute ago. Sorry about that. You go to general, and you go to about, and that's where you can find it. And it gives you all the information about the phone. Battery, unknown part. Display, unknown part. Also on the battery, when you replace it with an aftermarket, you will lose the option to get the your battery life percentage, battery health, unknown part, so it won't give you a maximum capacity anymore. Thank you very much. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe. More videos coming towards you. Alright, so here we have a iPhone XS, and the screen was replaced on it. It's got iOS 15.3.4. We could do an update if we want on it. Let's see. Yeah, see, it'll update to it, but we'll do that later. It's going to take a long time. But what I was trying to say a little bit ago was, on this particular phone, if you replace the screen, you do not have a message. iPhone 11, 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max, 12, all the series is in 12, and 13, you have that issue with. Another little thing that Apple does so that you can only get it repaired by them.